Good afternoon, class. So in today's video, what I want to do is point out, you see that the ocean waves over there, they're coming straight towards the camera. Whereas you see once they pass those two, the inlets to the bay, do you notice that they start to spread out like in a circular pattern? This is what we call diffraction of a wave. And so I want to show that as an example. This is also a good example of the double slit experiment that was done many years ago by a very famous physicist. This is the one slit, this is the second slit, so you can see how the waves interact. So I thought I'd point that out as an example of diffraction of waves. Study hard, see you in the next video.